starting values that do not necessarily bracket the root. So open methods na ta. So either it will require only one starting value of x or two but does not necessarily bracket the root. So pwedeng both ay nasa lower sa root or upper sa root. So a simple fixed point iteration, as mentioned above, open methods employ a formula to predict the root. Such a formula can be developed for a simple fixed point iteration, or as it is also called one-point iteration or successive substitution. By rearranging the function of f of x equals 0 so that x is on the left-hand side of the equation. So x is equals to g of x. This transformation can be accomplished either by algebraic manipulation or by simply adding x to both sides of the original equation. For example, for the equation x squared minus 2x plus 3 equals 0, we, it can be simply manipulated to yield x is equals to x squared plus 3 over 2. Okay, so for this example, we isolate the 2x. So 2x is equals to x squared plus 3. Kasi yeah, from this equation, kana. So x is equals to x squared plus 3, 3 over 2. So, mo ni siya. Na. Whereas, for sine x is equals to 0 could be put into the form of equation by adding x to both sides to yield x is equals to sine x plus x. So, we add x to both sides. So, sine x plus x, so niya sa pikas 0 plus x. So, what we have is kani, x is equals to sine x plus x. So, for this technique, so maghimo taw equation. So, lahi-lahi tawag equation ni depende sa ato ang function or sa ato ang formula. So, isolate na to ang isa ka x. And that will be our equation or formula for this method. The utility of equation is that it provides a formula to predict a new value of x as a function of an old value of x. Thus, given an initial guess at the root xi, so initial niya is x sub I, equation can be used to compute the new estimate xi plus 1, that is the new x nga i-compute. As expressed by the iterative formula, xi plus 1 is equals to g of xi. As with other iterative formulas, the approximate error for this equation can be determined using the error estimator equation. Absolute value of the new Canisia, this is the new x, minus the previous x over the new x value times 100. That will be in percent. So, open methods. Our first open method technique is the fixed point iteration, also known as methods of simultaneous substitution. This method is applicable to both polynomial and transcendental equations. So the steps for this method: first, specify an initial guess value. So you can call that x0 to be used for the iterative process and convergence test. We'll have to do a convergence test first for this open method. So second, formulate an iterative formula by rewriting the given function from the given form of f of x equals 0 to the form x is equals to f of x. Obtain all possible iterative formula from the given function. Third, test each possible iterative formula for convergence by substituting the initial value x sub 0 to the first derivative of the iterative function f of x. If the absolute value of the first derivative of the function of x 0 is greater than 0 and less than 1, or that is between 0 and 1, then the iterative formula is convergent. If the absolute value of the first derivative of the function of x0 is greater than 1, then the iterative formula is divergent. So select fourth step. Select among the possible convergent iterative formula and rewrite the iterative formula using the variables xn as the previous value and xn plus 1 as the new value. So, lahi-lahi ra na og subscript ha. Dili ra na nimo sa imong gamiton xi, xn, depende mo. Then begin the iteration by substituting the initial value x0 to the iterative formula and compute for the new value xn plus 1. Substitute xn plus 1 to xn and compute for a new root value. The process is repeated until the terminating condition is satisfied. So let's have an example to understand these steps for the method. Okay, so determine a root from the given function using fixed point iteration method. Terminate the process if the absolute error is less than or equal to 0.001 and tabulate the results. So this is the same function as the first examples sa previous nga methods. So step 1, tabulate values of x to obtain the initial value x0 to be used for the iteration process and convergence test. So for this, we will use 4. But since this is an open method technique naman, you can actually use the other numbers. But for this, we'll use 4 for this example. We can show later sa Excel lang that you can use 5 or isang layo. So we'll use 4. Then step 2, formulate the iterative formula by rewriting the given function from the given form f of x equals 0 to the form x is equals to f of x. Obtain all possible iterative formula from the given function. So this is our function, x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 10. So you try to obtain all possible iterative formula. So first, we have this. So, unsa man separate ang x, di ba? From this function, ang kaning x, kaning isa ka x, mo i-isolate na to. So, it becomes x is equals to negative x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10. So, we have our function, negative f of x is equals to negative x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10. No, another one, kani, sa b, i-isolate ang kaning x cube. So, i-isolate na to ang x cube. X cube is equals to 4x squared minus x plus 10. Then, i-cube root na to para ang x na lang mabilin. So, the function of f of x will become cube root of 4x squared minus x plus 10. So, those are, kani, try na ninyo check, di ba? These are all the other function na makuha ang, ma-isolate mo ang x. So, you just try to obtain the formula. Then, i-test pa na to for step 3. Okay. So for step 3, test if each possible iterative formula is convergence by substituting the initial value x0 to the first derivative of the function f of x. If the absolute value of the first derivative of the function is greater than 0 and less than 1, then the iterative formula is convergent. If the absolute value of the first derivative of the function is greater than 1, then the iterative formula is divergent. So convergent meaning if we use that formula or we use that equation, magkaduol ta sa root. If it is divergent, so it means if we use that equation, magkalayo ta sa root. So this happens in open methods. So that's why we have to test first for convergence para we can identify which equation to use. So the first function, kani sa previous step ha, for from the previous step, di ba, we obtain uh, seven equation. So dire i-test na to nga mga equation. So the first one kani man to siya. Function of f of x is equals to negative x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10. So first derivative of the function is negative 3x squared plus 8x. Then substitute our initial x value, which is 4, to this first derivative. So the first derivative of the function is negative 3 times 4 squared plus 8 times 4. The first derivative is negative 16. So that is divergent. The absolute value is greater than 1. So it is divergent. For our second equation, cube root of 4x squared minus x plus 10. So first kani yung first derivative. So 1/3 of 4x squared minus x plus 10 to the power of negative 2/3 times 8x minus 1. So the first derivative is convergent because it is 0.6084. So that is between 0 and 1. So it is convergent. So this equation is okay. Then another, the third one is square root of 4x squared minus x plus 10 over x. So we derive nimo first derivative 1/2 of 4x squared minus x plus 10 over x. So that is to the power of negative 1/2, then times x times 8x minus 1 minus quantity of 4x squared minus x plus 10 all over x squared, then to the power of negative 1/2. So the first derivative of the function is 0.4038. It is also convergent. So okay po ni siya. Sa examples na niha, so actually I will not ask you to anjud kana tanan pag mag-quiz ta or sa inyong activity could just show. Yeah, you can use Ragod your Calcu or whatever software you are using to test for convergent. You don't have to i-elaborate yun ninyo yung pag-solve. So for the fourth function, so same process. First derivative, substitute 4. That is our initial x value. You obtain the first derivative of the function. For this equation, it is also convergent. Then for the fifth one, derive, then substitute our initial value. So this is divergent. So we cannot use this kay that will not arrive sa root. Then so another function, derive, then solve for the value by substituting x equals 4. So divergent po din siya. So we cannot use this. Then the last one, 5. Then use x is equals to 4 for our first initial guess. Divergent po siya. So we cannot use this. So we have 3 nga convergent. So step 4, select from among the possible convergent iterative formula the absolute value of the first derivative of the function of x closest to 0 and rewrite the iterative formula using the variables xn as the previous value and xn plus 1 as the new value. So, mo ni siyang results ganiha sa step 3. We have the equation B, C, and D, which are convergent. So, from this, we select what is closest to 0. So, choose the iterative formula D, which is closest to 0. But actually, okay ra po to sila tanan. As long as it's convergent, you will arrive at the root. You can use them. So, for this example lang, we are looking for just one. So, we'll use d, which is x is equals to negative x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10. So, from this, then kani. So, 4x squared minus x plus 10 over x squared. So, kana siya, from that function, we will arrive at our equation for the iteration. So, to find for the new value of x, kanya itong gamiton, 4x squared minus x plus 10 over x squared. Okay, so let's proceed to step 5. So, mag-iterate na ta. Diba, this is our equation. Okay, so that's our equation for the new x value. So begin the iteration by substituting the initial value x0 to the iterative formula and compute for the new value xn plus 1. Substitute xn plus 1 to xn and compute for a new root value. The process is repeated until the terminating condition is satisfied. So for our first iteration, muna ang first iteration. So xn plus 1 will be 4 kani nga equation. Kani ito equation for the new root. So 4 times ato initial is 4 squared minus 4 plus 10 over 4 squared. So our new value is 4.375. So this new value of x will be our next xn sa sunod nga iteration. So this is the second iteration. So solve for the new value of x. 4 times kanina itong gamiton nga x. 4.375 squared minus 4.375 plus 10 over 4.375 squared. So this is our new value of x. So for the third iteration, kaniyang third, we'll use this our x. So substitute gyapon siya sa ato ang formula, which is kani. So muna siya. So the new value is 4.3095. So proceed na punta sa fourth iteration. So use the new value of x kana sa x. No, kanina po siya itong new value. So fifth iteration. So we solve for the new value of x. Then sixth iteration. So solve for the new value of x. So tabulate the results. So for this table, this is our xn, then this is our xn plus 1, the new values. So puli-puli na siya. So kana na pala itong mahimong xn, then solve for the new xn plus 1, kana na po ang xn, then solve for xn plus 1, kana, then solve, then kana. So until we arrive at our approximate root, which is for this function of x cubed minus 4x squared plus x minus 10, the approximate root is 4.3069. Okay. So before we proceed sa Excel, humanon sa na to show ang mga example dire sa PDF. It's also uploaded in your Google Classroom already. So for example, use a simple fixed point iteration to locate the root of f of x equals e to the power of negative x minus x. So, yun sa man, gibalhin lang ang x sa pikas. So, x is equals to e to the power of negative x. So, muna siya ato ang new equation or new function to solve for the next value of x. So, the function can be separated directly as expressed in the form of equation as xi plus 1 is equals to e to the power of negative xi. So, for this example, I po diyang gigamit. So, this one, so it start with the guess 0. This iterative equation can be applied to compute. So, if you use 0, mag-0 na tanan. Hasta imong error, imuhang xi plus 1. Kulang pa niyo. Xi plus 1. Nga column dire. Ana. So, I'll show you sa Excel later. So, if you use 1, so muna siya. Then, muna po na imong x. So, until you will arrive at the approximate root. So, thus, each iteration brings the estimate closer to the true value of the root 0.56714,329. Okay, so another example. Use fixed point iteration method to locate the root of the function x to the power 4 minus 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x plus 2. So, kani siya. So, kani siya, maniyahang nga nira atong table. Tulo ra ka columns for this method. Iteration, xi, then x new, then error. Mura na to ang table for this method. So, kaning equation, gihimo siyang f of x is equals to x times, gikuan sila x, tagsa x cube minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 1, then plus 2. So, ibalhin na to, mahimo siyang x times x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 1, then equals negative 2. Then, isolate na to ang x. X is equals to negative 2 over x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. So, this will be our equation for x new. X new is equals to negative 2 over our xi cubed minus 2xi squared minus 5 or xi plus 1. So, muna siya. Muna itong equation for x new. Then, replace na siya na. So, balhin ra na. Then, muna po solve na po ka sa sunod. Ano siya. So, hangtod maabot ta sa error. So, for this, yung error is 0.00 tama na, 00277, diba? Negative 5. So, i-move ni mo to the left. So, from this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, that's already less than 0.0001. So, the root is approximately negative 0.64104. So, ang error that is the error is equals to the absolute value of the x new minus the xi na over the x new absolute value, then times 100 muna sila. Kani. This column. That's how you solve for the error. So, muna siya. So, locate the root of the function. So, using this, atong x, ay atong new value, kana siya, negative 2, kani-ganiha. Then, the root is negative 0.641043. Approximate error is 0.0000028. Number of iterations, 25. Okay, so let's show the Excel. Okay, for the first example, nagmamana siya atong function. Its root is 4.30691. To solve for our new x value, xn plus 1, we use 4x squared minus x plus 10 over x squared. We have our iteration, our xn column, our xn plus 1 column, and our error column. So our initial value is 4. So this is our equation for the new x, 4x squared minus x plus 10 over x squared. Okay, yeah. Then our error, new absolute value of absolute value of x new minus x initial over x new times 100. Muna. Then kani i-replace na to. Value na to. For the second iteration, our new xn is ang xn plus 1 sa previous iteration. Then solve for the value of xn plus 1 using the same equation. Then error. Okay. Pwede na siya i-drag until we arrive at this error. So our root is approximately 4.306894. So you can use other value of x like initial, since this is an open method, pwede ta magsugod og 5. Diba? So it will arrive still at our root. So you can also use 1. O padungya pa na siya sa atong root. O pwede na nato i-padayon pa dyan. You can use 11. Mo arrive gyapon siya sa root. So that is what the open method is. Okay. So the other example, can you see kadong second example. So for the second example, e to the power of negative x minus x ang atong function. Its root is 0.56714329. To solve for our new value of x, we use our xi plus 1 is e to the power of negative xi. So initial guess na to is 1. To solve for xi plus 1, that is exponent of negative x. Exponent of negative x. For the second example, dili siya nag-solve of error for the first iteration. Ari na siya sa second iteration nag-solve of error, which yan yung gibuhat. So replace our xi, solve for xi plus 1. Then for the error, ang iyahang gigamit is kani. So kani iyahang new, x new, minus x previous, then over x new. Kana iyang gigamit. Times 100. So pareha ra gyapon. So iyang concept pareha ra gyapon. So, okay ra gyapon na siyang error. Then, nagbutang siya og kani, dili siya exactly pareha to na sa picture sa book, but ina niyang pasabot, I think niya, x new minus x previous times 100. Mo na. But, dili lang ka na itong gamiton ng error. Kani rata. Kani ato ang error for this method. So, we'll only have 4 columns. The initial, and then the new, and then the error. Then, mura gyapon for the next iteration until you arrive at the root, which is approximately 0.567148. Okay, then the other example, so di ba kani x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed minus 5x squared plus x plus 2. So we have the roots. Then using this for our new value, mu x negative 2 over x cubed minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 1. So our initial is 8. Then solve for the new using the equation. Then solve for the error. Then new x xi, then new x new. So panayon na ka until you arrive at the root, which is approximately negative 0.64104. So using this equation for our new x value, we will arrive at kaning root x minus x is negative 0.64104. So that means there are still other equation, di ba? Daghan man kag ma-form nga equation from this. So you try them kung asay convergent. So if it is convergent, you can use them to solve for the root. Some of them might arrive at these other roots. Some equation na imo makitaan. Diba? So you try to find the other equation to arrive at those roots. So now, diba, inyuhang activity, daghan mo og roots. But for this method, our first open method, I will only require you to find at least two of your roots. If you want to find all the roots of your equation, okay ra. But at least two ra, okay na ko sa inyong fixed point iteration nga activity. Okay? Kay kibaw ko nga daghan kayo possibility ana magngita mo sa tanan kapuyon magsige na magbagot-bagot sa activity. So at least two lang. Okay. Kira for activity, sunod na next week na ipasa. Kay next week, that will be our first quiz. The first quiz only about the bracketing methods, kadong duha. The bisection and the false position. Mura to sa atong quiz next week. And next week, next mo na activity na pod mo. Deadline sa inyong activity. Next. Okay. So, for your quiz DI next week, you can print a clean table daan sa inyong bond paper. Long bond paper atong quiz. You can print a clean table lang daan para dito na magswat-swat sa table ng quiz. Kay mo man ako tanawan ang table lang jud. And also, sa ngita sa kog bond paper. Okay. So for example, mo ni inyong long bond paper. Then you print mo og table daan. So may table na. So another bond paper with your table. You print at least 4 ka tables. Pwede ra siguro duha ka table kara bond paper. Isa ani sa taas niya, isa pod ka table sa ubos. Then another table duha ka buok sa isa ka bond paper. You make at least four. Then ani lang siya staple. You staple here. Then fold gyapon siya. Nya ani mo magsuwat sa cover sa inyong quiz, di ba? By so subject, inyong name, and ani mo pag yan, para dali ra siya i-open ang magsuwat mo, then dako mo space suwatan ana na, pero folded gyapon siya pang quiz ana siya na gets ra react okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Pila ka columns, ma'am?
columns, pila man to ka columns sa kuan policy, 7 na siguro, 3 4 5 6 8 di ay 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 8 columns. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 di ay 8 columns by section and false position atong quiz. Okay. Isa pa.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yung quiz next week is on Monday. Monday. For 3D. Kaya wala lang question.
Excuse me, ma'am. Dissection method pa itong i-quiz, ma'am, no?
Bisection and false position. The two bracketing methods.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Kanang depende ra na mo og pila maigo nga rows, ma'am.
Pilay maibo nga
Rows or table.
okay, balik pila maibo nga
Rows, ma'am, per table.
rows. Depende ninyo kung pilay maibo ninyo. Pero daghan naman
ma'am.
siguro sa long bond paper, okay na siguro ng duha ka table. Okay na pa question? Wala na questions? No more questions. So before we end our meeting, so for your attendance and documentation, please turn on your camera. Okay, turn on your camera before we end our meeting. Okay. 1 2 3 and another 1 2 3. Okay. So tomorrow di ay pud sa atong highway mag-discuss yapon kanang 6:30 online. Okay na. Iwaso na to ang horizontal curves. Okay. So if there are no more
Excuse me, ma'am. Mag-online class po ta sa Mat 5, ma'am.
dili na.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.